Hello, my reading friends. This is Miss D with Read to Me, Miss D. And today we're going to go on a little bit of a friendship adventure, maybe. And it is with Fancy Nancy, who I just love reading about, and the Dazzling book report. And of course, this is written by Jane O'Connor. You ready to go on a little Fancy Nancy? Here we go. Whoa, look at all these pages. Here we go. Monday is my favorite day. Why? Monday is library day. Oh, I love going to the library. I take my grandsons. Before we leave, we select a book. Select is a fancy word for pick. It is like getting a present for a week. Bree selects a book on dinosaurs, and Robert selects a book of funny poems. Teddy selects a scary story. I select a book about an Indian girl. She has a fancy name, Sacagawea. You say it like this, Sacagawea. Later, Miss Glass has thrilling news. Thrilling is even more exciting than exciting. We get to do a book report. Your first book report. How grown up, my mom says at dinner. Yes, I know, I say. My book is a biography. It is about a real person. After dinner, I read my book. Dad helps with the hard words. I learn all about Sacagawea. Sacagawea was a princess. She lived 200 years ago out west. She helped two explorers reach the Pacific Ocean. Mom takes me to the art store. I need stuff for the cover of my book report. I want it to be great. I am the second best artist in our class. This isn't bragging. You can ask anybody. I get a bag of little beads, some yarn, and markers. I start working on the cover. I work on it every night. I make Sacagawea look very brave because she was. She found food for the explorers and she kept them safe from enemies. Just remember to leave time for the words. Mom keeps saying, I will, I tell her. Miss Glass wants you to write about the book. Dad says over and over. That's what a report is. I know that, I tell him. Writing the words will be easy. Ta-da! The cover is finished. Sacagawea has yarn braids. Beads and fringe are glued on her clothes. I must admit, it is dazzling. That is fancy for eye-popping. Now I will write my report. I get out lined paper and a pen with a plume. That's a fancy word for feather. The trouble is I'm tired. I know all about Sacagawea, but the right words won't come. What am I going to do? I have to hand in my report tomorrow. I'm desperate, I tell Mom. That means I'm in trouble. Mom lets me stay up longer. Still, my report ends up only 2 sentences long. The next day, everyone sees my cover and says, wow. But hearing other reports makes me nervous, and all of them are longer than mine, and all of them are more interesting. I read my report. Sacagawea was a heroine. She helped people in trouble. Everybody waits to hear more, but there is no more. I am crestfallen. Dad is fancy for sad and ashamed. I spent too much time on the cover. I tell Miss Glass. Miss Glass understands. Why don't you tell the class about your book? So I do. I tell them all about the brave things Sacagawea did. Sacagawea was a heroine. Miss Glass is a heroine too. At least she is to me. So Fancy Nancy's fancy words. These are the fancy words in this book. Biography is a story about a real person. Crestfallen means sad and ashamed. Dazzling means eye-popping and a knockout. Desperate, feeling trapped. Heroine is a girl or a woman who is brave and helps people. Plume is feather. Select is to pick. And thrilling is even more exciting than exciting. Well, I was very excited because I love Fancy Nancy and the Dazzling book report. I hope you enjoy reading Fancy Nancy with me too. She is one of my favorite characters. So thank you for reading with me and being with me today. Remember, if you like this story and other stories that I have on my channel, please subscribe and like and share with your friends. Thanks for reading with me. Bye-bye from Miss D.